Hi amigas, I'm going to teach you how to make my famous Spam pasta salad. It is so yummy. So here's the ingredients. We're going to need cold noodles, mayo, Spam, cheddar cheese, and olives and green onions. We're going to dice up our cheddar cheese. I like the mild cheddar, but you can use whatever cheddar you like. And I'm going to dice it into bite-sized portions. You want about a half a cup of cheese. So here I am using my chopper. Cheese is a little harder to use the chopper on, but as long as you're just gentle, it'll kind of slide through. I started making this pasta salad when Fabian was about a year old. I was invited to a birthday party and somebody made this. They gave me the ingredients and I just kind of started making it after that. People always are like, Rosalie, make that pasta salad. Now we're using Spam. Some people are like, can you use ham? Yes, but let me tell you, I wasn't a Spam lover until I used it in this pasta salad. If you don't tell anyone that there's Spam in here, they'll think it's just regular ham, okay? So if you're a Spam hater, you won't be after you try this pasta salad. My brother's ex-girlfriend, when I bumped into her, family member, they're like, we miss your pasta salad. I'm like, girl, I'm going to post it for you. So this is for the ex, the family, la familia. All right, so here we are adding our Spam. Now we're going to chop up some green onions, nice and fine. There is no substitute. You can add chives if you want, but you have to add green onions. All right, chop them up nicely. And these are washed, just so you know. No soy mugrosa. Pues a little bit, pero no con mi comida, okay? All right, so what I said was I'm not dirty, but a little bit, but not with my food. All right, now here are our olives. Now we're going to chop up our olives into super fine little pieces of olives. You could buy the ones that are already chopped up, diced up. I like to make it myself so that I could control like how big the pieces are. I got control issues, I know, with my food too. All right, there we go. Add it in there. And I had already cooked my pasta and cooled it down in ice water and drained it. And now we're going to add it to our pasta salad ingredients. We're going to mix it up. Make sure all those ingredients are well distributed. So you'll have cheese, Spam, onions, and olives in every corner of the bowl. There we go. Now we're going to season. I'm using some garlic salt. It has a little bit of parsley, a lot of pepper. I love pepper in my pasta salad. If you don't like pepper, you can put less, you could put more, but I like a lot of pepper. All right. Make sure you guys share this video to your timeline so you can find it when you're ready to make a little side salad for your barbecues. All right, now we're gonna get some cold mayo. Best Foods is the best. I don't care what nobody says. All right, and this ain't no light. Nobody's on a diet here, okay? We're eating calorie full. So maybe don't eat this every day, but it's an indulgement, okay? All right, now mix it all up. Make sure that mayonnaise and seasoning is well distributed into every little part. Here we are. Now, I suggest making this early in the day, covering it up and letting it sit in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours so those flavors really get well incorporated into the noodles, but you can make it really quickly as well. Here I am. Please don't judge me. My fridge is a mess. There's way too much stuff in there. I need to go through it, but I ain't got time today. I'm gonna looking at the back of my head. There we are. Close it up. And here's our pasta salad ready to serve. Yum. All right. That's not sangre, friends. That is juice from the barbecued steak, okay? It was grilled outside. Now we're going to do a serving of pasta salad, a little rice-a-roni, some vegetables, and enjoy. Let's see what Fabian thought. All right, Fabian's trying the pasta salad. Uh-oh, it's okay. What do you think? I think you liked it. Yay. Oh, look at the side eye. Anyways, enjoy. Bye.